So anyway, the hotel that I'm at has a nice breakfast included. So, but this morning when things open, I have to walk around and find a vehicle. When I arrived yesterday, I was looking for a specific Suzuki makes a Jimmy. It's kind of like a Jeep. I can control the sun. You want some sun? Take the top off. You don't want sun? I don't want to ride around in a car here, right? So they also make the four-wheeler. Oh, I don't want that much sun. Let's go outside. So quiet. Oh, so I have a new drone. I sold the old one on eBay. Didn't get much money for it, but this one, oof. See, the deal is, it's not just a new drone. Technology has been progressed since my last one. This one is so smooth. And it comes with its own thing. Anyway,
the home point has been updated.
Let's launch
Please
this.
check it out.
My old joke is it's always good when it comes back. Man, that joke, it's more real than ever. So yeah, this one's fast. It's very accurate. So when I can't see it, at least I can see it here. You know, I've lost, what, 2 or 3 while on vacation. Here, let me show you when I fold it up. Hold on. It's crazy. Okay, come on, breakfast time. I love hotel breakfasts. For the day though. Here, let's go inside. On the wall, there's some pictures. It looks like some of the cast of Mamma Mia stayed here. Thank you. Wanna go find a car? Wanna go look for a vehicle? Like I said, a decision must be made, and that is roof, no roof. That's really the only decision. I just accomplished a lot. So, all right. This was a nice surprise. What I was hoping for, I thought my hotel was going to tell me that they had a availability that we could grow my reservation. So that didn't happen, but this happened. Thank you. Look where I am. However this happened, I love that it did. In fact, I should do this more often, intentionally. Split the trip up. 2 days over here, 3 days over there. Let me mention something because it's just fresh. I was inside, I loaded a YouTube video. I know somebody meant well, but they said you should relax and don't stress because the stress lines are showing on your face. I just have to tell you, that's actually age. That's not stress. This is 60. In fact, I don't stress. I don't have anxiety, and I like challenges. So anything you see right here, and I agree. I had an appointment for Botox, and I'm like, that's like bringing throw pillows in like a crack house. Anyway, but yeah, that's age, my friend. Proud to be this age and healthy. So that's the story. Oh, trust me, I have to do high definition video. I see it. These videos probably started 8 or 10 years ago. Ugh, I'm like an infant now. One of my favorite places. Thank you. It's another one, right? Can't be that. Bathroom. It's very clean. Lovely. The pillow dressing needs some work. Sorry. That does not seem like standard hotel pillow dressing. Like all of this is wrong. Here, let me show you what I would do. You know, the presentation of the room is absolutely everything. That's all I got for you. But they didn't give me a lot to work with. All right, you ready? Mission control. Tripod, cables, battery, hard drives, computer, drone, glasses. Camera setup, charging. Camera setup, pole. Camera setup here. Additional, earphones for late night editing. Takes you. First night, ABBA arriving, folders inside. Every night, memory cards, blah, 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 blah. I'm back. The goal is very simple, food and sunset. You coming or what? Hold on. There's a farm? I can eat my chicken sandwich with a chicken next to my... Hold on. What is... But there's a donkey here. Oh my God, is there a donkey here? These are divine. I'm sitting under an olive tree. Best place ever. And best new memory yet. That was fantastic. Thank you. That was more than I possibly could hope for. Dinner with a donkey. A little sunset drone shot.